Do you want to have an adventure this holiday season? It's easy to keep things exciting. Find out how in our holiday
Adventure!
Holidays can be a blast, and they should be. After all, it's a great time to connect with family and friends, to take a break from doing, to simply enjoy being. But holidays can also be a hassle. It's easy to lose focus on what's important and sometimes to be overwhelmed with what's unimportant. There are 3 simple ways to make your holidays more blissful. Number 1, relax. Now trust me, as someone who's always creating new videos, apps, blog posts, or books, I understand how challenging this can be. At the same time, I realize that relaxing is an important part of being productive. It gives us time to connect with other people and build relationships. It helps us be creative by giving us new ideas and giving us new perspectives. And it also helps us to give our brain downtime that it needs to recharge. Relaxing during the holidays is simply a way to make life more rewarding. The second thing we can do is be thankful. Being thankful for what we have gives a huge boost to our enjoyment of the holidays. After all, if we're constantly thinking about what we don't have and what we're missing out on, it can be a challenge to really enjoy ourselves. But if we appreciate what we have and what we're doing, we can have a lot more fun. It's not always easy, but there's always something to be thankful for. And if you're going to experience something, you might as well enjoy it to the full. Now, if you want more information on how to be thankful and how to enjoy things in that way, we did a video on this last month, and we'll provide that information in the notes below. Now, the third thing you can do is be creative. The holidays are a great time to connect with people and to do things that you don't normally do. Now, you want to make sure that you don't necessarily dictate what everybody's going to do, but you do find some good creative options that the whole group enjoys. One particular option might be holiday karaoke. There are all kinds of ways to mix it up. You can sing along to songs that you don't know. Or instead of just singing, you can play along with a guitar and a bass using a game like Rocksmith. Now, Rocksmith is a wonderful game that you can use to learn guitar and bass. And if you want more information about it, check out the notes below. Another thing to do is play games. Now, we had some great ideas on games in our last video, and we'll include that in the notes below. In addition, you can create your own games, like creating a murder mystery, with clues you have to solve and evidence to find. And finally, why not try puzzles? I love puzzles. What a great way to get around the table and laugh and talk while you exercise your mind. There are all kinds of ways to enjoy the holidays. So why not try a few of these and have a wonderful holiday adventure? If you'd like more ideas, be sure and check out the notes below or check out these videos. In addition, if you like this video, please like it. If you have ideas for future videos, please add comments below. And if you'd like to be notified when there are new videos available, please subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season and you find where your holiday adventure will take you.